guys, welcome back to Rev Royale, your go-to spot for all things cars. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best cars of 2025. We're talking performance, comfort, and of course, value for your money. Whether you're looking for a fuel sipper, a tech-packed EV, or just a smooth daily ride, we've got something in here for you. So let's jump right in. 1. Honda Civic Hybrid, 2025, $26,000. 0, 25, 0, 55, kicking things off with a classic. The Honda Civic Hybrid, 2025. This one's all about efficiency and reliability, but now with a fresh hybrid twist. It pumps out around 200 horsepower and still gives you up to 50 miles per gallon. Inside, it's clean, simple, and super comfortable. Honda really nailed the ride quality. For around $26,000, it's hard to beat for a daily driver that saves you money at the pump and doesn't sacrifice comfort. 2. Tesla Model 3, Refresh 2025, $39,000, 0, 55 to 125. Next up, the updated Tesla Model 3. Sleeker design, better build quality, and still that instant EV torque we all love. You get about 340 miles of range, 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds, and that minimalist Tesla interior with a smoother-than-ever ride. At $39,000, it's not cheap, but if you're after tech, performance, and that EV cool factor, this one's a no-brainer. 3. Audi S e-tron GT 2025, $107,000, 125, 155. Now, if you're ready to turn heads, meet the Audi S e-tron GT. This is pure electric luxury meets sports car muscle. It pushes out 637 horsepower, does 0 to 60 in about 3.2 seconds, and the ride? Silky smooth. Audi's cabin feels like a 5-star lounge with next-level tech and craftsmanship. It's definitely a premium pick at around $107,000, but the performance and comfort? Totally next level. 4. Lincoln Nautilus, 2025, $51,000, 155, 225. Switching gears to luxury SUVs. The 2025 Lincoln Nautilus is all about comfort and space. It's got a chill, refined driving experience, a massive 48-inch screen inside, yes, really, and buttery soft seats that basically hug you. Under the hood, you'll find a turbocharged 4-cylinder with 250 horsepower. Not crazy fast, but plenty smooth. At $51,000, it's a sweet spot for folks who want modern style and plush vibes. 5. Kia EV9 2025, $56,000, 225. 3 a.m. last, but not least, the bold and boxy Kia EV9, a full-size electric SUV with serious presence. You get up to 300 miles of range, available all-wheel drive, and a surprisingly quick 0 to 60 in 5 seconds. Inside, super spacious, with a modern cabin that doesn't feel cheap at all. Kia's really leveling up here. Starting at $56,000, the EV9 delivers value, style, and future-forward practicality. Outro, 300,330. So there you have it, our top 5 cars of 2025 that hit the sweet spot between performance, comfort, and value. Let me know in the comments which one's your favorite, or if there's another car you think deserves a spot on the list. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the bell so you never miss a drop from Rev Royale. Catch you in the next one. Drive safe and stay awesome.